3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song by the Scandals. Goodbye to you. Alright, cool. Standard tuning. And to make it easy on the acoustic guitar, let's put a capo on 2nd fret, please. 1, 2. Right? We got G major shape. 3. Got C major. 1, 2, 3. Got E minor. 1, 2. And then we got D major. So that's all the chords we need for the chorus and the verses. G major, C, E minor. Do some muting too for the verses. Put your right hand on the bridge. It's faster than this too. And then a pre-chorus, C major. We want to open up and strum harder. Also, it's a little melody there from G to C for the chorus. So that's 3, like inside the G chord. Pick 3E, open A, 2A, and land on C. Change. B minor, C to D. So that's B minor there. You got a bar 2nd fret from A string. 4, 4, 3. C to D. It's right before the keyboard solo. Keyboard solo. With us. C, 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 D, 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 D. Goodbye to you. review everything before we end the lesson. Capo 2, song is in G shape. Verses and chorus, G, C, E minor, D. For the verses, do some muting with your right hand. And chorus, same chorus, but we want that melody. 3, 3, 3, open A, 2, C. Okay, and then every time before chorus, it's C to D. 2 or 3 times, I don't remember, I think it's 3. Okay, bridge, E minor, C, E minor, C, and then right before the keyboard solo, E minor, B minor, C, to D, and end with. Awesome, thanks guys for checking in. Be safe, and I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Take it easy.